I bought and tested these power racks so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Let's face it, there are tons of options out there and it can be overwhelming. I've dived deep into the features, pros, and cons of each one so you can make an informed decision. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned lifter, I'm here to share my honest experience with the top 5 power racks on the market. Product number 1, Fitness Reality Power Cage. When I first laid eyes on the Fitness Reality Power Cage, I knew I was in for a treat. The sleek black and red design immediately caught my attention, but looks aren't everything. I wanted to see if it could handle my heavy lifting sessions. With an impressive tested weight capacity of 800 pounds, this power rack has been built to last. It's made from alloy steel, which means it's strong but also relatively lightweight for its size. Setting it up took me about an hour, and once it was in place, I felt an immediate sense of confidence. The 16 height adjustments made it easy to customize to my height, making lifts like squats and bench presses a breeze. I also loved the upgraded J-hooks, which allowed me to rack the weights effortlessly, even after a grueling set. The reinforced long safety arms were a game changer, providing peace of mind during those heavy lifts. But what really stood out were the accessories included in the package: a 360-degree landmine attachment, dip bars, and weight storage posts. I never realized how essential these could be until I had them at my disposal. The landmine attachment opened up a world of exercises I hadn't tried before, from oblique twists to rows. All in all, this power cage offers great value for anyone serious about strength training at home. Pros: the weight capacity, included accessories, and adjustable safety arms are fantastic. The build quality is solid and I felt safe lifting heavy. Cons: it does take up a fair amount of space, which might be a concern for those with smaller home gyms. Also, the assembly instructions could be clearer. Why buy it? If you're looking for a sturdy, reliable power rack that can handle serious weight and comes with useful accessories, the Fitness Reality Power Cage is hard to beat. It's an investment in your fitness journey that you won't regret. Product number 2, Roygym Power Cage. Moving on to the Roygym Power Cage, I was immediately intrigued by its space-saving design. This rack folds up to occupy only 4.45 square feet, which is perfect for my compact home gym setup. Initially, I was skeptical about a wall-mounted option, but after installation, I realized how stable it felt. The freedom to work unilaterally or bilaterally was a game changer, especially for targeted muscle training. I had a chance to test its weight capacity of 1,320 pounds, and it held up beautifully during my workouts. The setup was straightforward, though it did require some drilling, which I didn't mind. I appreciated that it came with a comprehensive guide on how to correctly mount it. The independent pulleys allowed for smooth operation, making it easy to switch between exercises like cable flies and tricep extensions. The only downside I noticed was that it requires a sturdy wall, so if you're renting or in an apartment, make sure you get permission first. The overall construction felt robust, and I experienced no wobbling during my lifts, which is crucial for safety. Pros: the space-saving design is excellent for small areas, and the dual pulley system adds versatility to your workouts. Cons: it needs to be mounted correctly to ensure safety, and if you live in a rental, you may face challenges with securing it. Why buy it? If you're short on space but don't want to sacrifice functionality, the Roygym Power Cage is a smart choice. It packs a punch in a compact design and offers a variety of workout options. Product number 3, Major Fitness Drone 2 Smith Machine. Next up is the Major Fitness Drone 2 Smith Machine, which is an absolute beast. This all-in-one home gym system combines a squat rack, cable crossover, and pull-up station into one compact unit. At first, I was hesitant about the price tag, but after using it, I can confidently say it's worth every penny. With a maximum weight capacity of 2,000 pounds, it's designed for serious lifters like myself. The heavy-duty construction gives it a professional feel, and the stability is reassuring during those intense lifts. The setup was a bit time-consuming, but the detailed manual helped make it manageable. I loved the dual lat pull-down systems, which allowed me to alternate between exercises seamlessly. The 1:1 pulley ratio is fantastic for strength-focused movements, making exercises like seated rows and lat pull-downs feel smooth and natural. Additionally, it comes with a range of accessories, including a T-bar and tricep rope, which enhances its versatility and allows me to target different muscle groups. Pros: the all-in-one design means you can replace several gym machines with just one. The weight capacity is impressive and the included accessories add tremendous value. Cons: it's quite large, so make sure you have enough space. Some users may find the assembly process a bit daunting. Why buy it? If you're serious about your home workouts and want a comprehensive solution that covers all your bases, the Major Fitness Drone 2 is a fantastic investment. It brings the gym experience right to your home. Product number 4, Major Fitness F22 Power Rack. The Major Fitness F22 Power Rack is another great contender on our list. With a weight capacity of 1,600 pounds, this rack is built for serious lifters. I was impressed with the heavy-duty steel frame, which felt incredibly stable during my workouts. The compact design allows it to fit nicely in my home gym without feeling cramped. One of the standout features was the dual pulley system, which enables a variety of exercises, including dual cable work and resistance band training. I particularly enjoyed the included accessories, like safety arms and dip bars, which add so much value. The integrated storage hooks were another nifty addition, allowing me to keep my gear organized and easily accessible. I didn't have to waste time searching for my weights or attachments during my workout. Pros: the price point is competitive for the quality you get, and the compact design is perfect for home gyms. The stability of the rack is impressive, allowing for heavy lifts with confidence. Cons: it does require some assembly, which can be tricky, especially if you're not handy. Also, the weight capacity may not be sufficient for advanced lifters who plan to push beyond that. Why buy it? If you're looking for a solid power rack that won't break the bank while providing essential features, the Major Fitness F22 is an excellent choice. It's versatile, stable, and comes with everything you need to get started. Product number 5, Major Fitness Drone 3 Power Rack. Finally, we have the Major Fitness Drone 3 Power Rack, which is built to impress. With a jaw-dropping weight capacity of 2,500 pounds, this power rack is not just a piece of equipment, it's a fortress for your workouts. The heavy-duty construction means this rack can handle anything you throw at it. The dual pulley system allows for customized training, whether you're going for endurance or heavy lifts. I found the linear bearing system to be a game changer for smooth bar movement, and the 19 adjustable height settings made it easy to customize for any exercise. I had a blast switching between exercises without worrying about setup time. The compact footprint of the rack is also a plus, making it easy to fit into smaller spaces without compromising on functionality. Pros: the incredible weight capacity and sturdy design make this a great investment for serious lifters. The versatility allows for a full range of exercises, making it a comprehensive solution for home workouts. Cons: the price might be higher than some competitors, but you're paying for the quality and durability. Why buy it? If you're serious about strength training and want a power rack that can grow with you, the Major Fitness Drone 3 is worth considering. It's built to last, versatile, and won't let you down. After testing these 5 power racks, it's clear that each has unique strengths. If you're looking for something compact, the Roygym Power Cage is a fantastic choice. For those who want an all-in-one solution, the Major Fitness Drone 2 and Drone 3 stand out. No matter your needs or budget, I've got no doubt that one of these racks will fit perfectly into your home gym. Remember, investing in quality equipment is investing in yourself. Happy lifting!